Gold is one of the most valuable mineral resources and holds immense economic, strategic, and geographical importance for India. From ancient time to the modern era, gold has functioned not only as a precious metal but also as an international currency and store of value. In geographical terms, the distribution of gold reserves in India is closely linked to auriferous rock systems, river basins, and the peninsular plateau. Gold reserve in India. Gold is an important mineral resource of India and holds economic, strategic, and geographical significance. It generally occurs in auriferous rocks and is also found in alluvial deposits in the sands of several rivers. Gold reserves in India are unevenly distributed and are mainly concentrated in the peninsular plateau region. State-wise gold reserve in India. Gold reserve in India occurs mainly in auriferous hard rocks and alluvial placer deposits found in river sands. The distribution of gold reserves is uneven and largely concentrated in the peninsular plateau region. Karnataka is the largest producer of gold in India with major mining areas at Kolar, Ooty, Raichur, Dharwad and Hassan. Kolar Gold Field is one of the deepest gold mines in the world through most high-grade reserves are now exhausted. Ooty Gold Field is currently the most productive gold mine but is nearing maximum exploitation with low-grade ore left. Andhra Pradesh is the second largest producer with Ramagiri, Anantapur district as the most important gold field. Bihar holds about 45% of India's primary gold ore resources, mainly in the Chota Nagpur Plateau region. Rajasthan accounts for around 23% of gold ore resources, often associated with copper and polymetallic belts. Jharkhand has alluvial gold in the sands of Subarnarekha River, Sona Nadi and Sonpat Valley. West Bengal contributes about 3% of gold ore resources, largely in alluvial form. Madhya Pradesh has around 2% of gold ore resources with limited economic viability. Kerala has small quantities of alluvial gold along the river terraces of Panna Pujaha and Chaviyar Pujaha. Major gold field in India. Kolar Gold Field, KGF, Karnataka. Located in Kolar district of Karnataka along the Dharwad Craton of the Peninsular Plateau, one of the oldest and deepest gold field in the world with mining depth reaching over 3 km. Gold occurred mainly in auriferous quartz reefs within ancient metamorphic rocks, played a major role in India's gold production during the colonial period. At present, most high-grade reserves are exhausted and mining activities have largely ceased due to low economic viability. Ooty Gold Field, Karnataka, situated in Raichur district of Karnataka, currently the most productive gold mine in India. Gold is found in schist belts associated with the Dharwad geological system. The mine has been extensively exploited and the remaining ore is of low grade, making extraction costly. Operated by Ooty Gold Mines Limited (SGML), a government of Karnataka undertaking. Ramagiri Gold Field, Andhra Pradesh, located in Anantapur district of Andhra Pradesh, second most important gold producing region after Karnataka. Gold occurs in quartz veins within ancient crystalline rocks. Mining activity has declined due to poor ore quality and high extraction cost. The region also has small quantities of alluvial and placer gold deposits in nearby river systems. Other minor gold occurrence areas. Jharkhand, alluvial gold in the sands of Subarnarekha River, Sona Nadi and Sonepat Valley. Kerala, alluvial gold along river terraces of Panna Pujaha and Chaviyar Pujaha. Rajasthan and Bihar. Presence of gold-bearing ore resources, though large-scale commercial mining is limited. Gold distribution across the world. Gold is widely distributed across the world but occurs in economically viable quantities, mainly in regions with ancient crystalline rocks, stable continental shields, and major orogenic belts. Most global gold deposits are associated with the Cambrian cratons, where long geological processes enabled gold mineralization. South Africa, home to the Witwatersrand Basin, the richest gold-bearing region in the world. Gold occurs in conglomerate placer-type deposits formed in ancient sedimentary basins. Mines are extremely deep, increasing extraction cost but still holding Vast reserves. Australia, one of the world's top gold producer, major deposit located in Western Australia, especially the Yilgarn Craton. Gold occurs the both lode hard rock and placer deposits. Russia possesses large gold reserve in Siberia and the Russian Far East. Gold is found in both primary hard rock deposits and alluvial river placers. Increasing exploration has boosted production in recent years. China, leading global producer of gold, major gold belts located in Shandong Peninsula, Henan and Inner Mongolia. Deposits mainly occur in hydrothermal veins within ancient rock systems. United States of America, significant gold deposits in Nevada, Caledonian Trend, Alaska and California. Kaolin type deposits are low grade but extensive, making them economically viable. Canada, rich gold resources in the Canadian Shield, especially in Ontario and Quebec. Gold is associated with greenstone belts of pre-Cambrian age. Ghana, major gold producing country in West Africa. Deposits concentrated in the Ashanti and Birimian belts. Gold mining plays a crucial role in the national economy. Indonesia hosts one of the world's largest gold mines, Grasberg in Papua. Gold is often found along with copper deposits in volcanic and tectonically active regions. Chile, gold occurs mainly as a byproduct of copper mining in the Andes. Deposits are associated with young fold mountains and volcanic activity.